Welcome to a journey through some of the most breathtaking natural wonders our planet has to offer. From towering peaks to vibrant underwater worlds, prepare to be amazed by the beauty and grandeur of these incredible destinations. Over the next few moments, we'll traverse continents, explore diverse ecosystems, and witness the awe-inspiring power of nature. These wonders, sculpted over millennia, stand as testaments to the Earth's enduring beauty and serve as a powerful reminder of the importance of conservation. So, sit back, relax, and allow yourselves to be transported to some of the most remarkable corners of our world. Prepare to be captivated by the sheer majesty of nature, captured in stunning 4K resolution. The Grand Canyon. A chasm so vast it carves its way across the landscape, a testament to the relentless forces of erosion. Here, layer upon layer of colourful rock unveils a story spanning millions of years. As the sun rises, casting its golden rays across the canyon walls, the rock formations come alive. Hues of red, orange and purple dance before our eyes, revealing intricate details of a world long gone. Look closely and you'll see the remnants of ancient seas, evidence of a time when this now arid landscape lay submerged beneath a prehistoric ocean. Each layer a chapter in Earth's history, a reminder of the immense scale of geological time. The sheer depth of the canyon is breathtaking. From the rim, the Colorado River appears as a silver ribbon, its roar echoing through the chasm, a testament to the power of nature to shape and sculpt our world. The Grand Canyon, a masterpiece of nature, a place where time stands still and the earth whispers its ancient secrets. We journey now to the Himalayas, a realm of towering peaks and icy giants. And there, piercing the heavens, stands Mount Everest, the highest point on Earth. From the air, Everest is a vision in white, its snow-covered slopes glistening under the bright sun. The surrounding peaks, an undulating sea of rock and ice, stretch out in every direction, a testament to the immense power of the Earth's tectonic plates. At Everest Base Camp, a colourful tapestry of tents huddles amidst the harsh, unforgiving landscape. It is here that climbers from all over the world gather, their sights set on conquering the formidable peak above. The air is thin, the temperatures extreme, yet the human spirit is undeterred. The climb is arduous, fraught with danger, a true test of human endurance. But for those who reach the summit, the reward is unparalleled, a view from the top of the world, a moment etched in memory forever. Tonight, we witness a spectacle unlike any other, a celestial ballet of light and colour. In the skies above the Arctic Circle, the Aurora Borealis, the northern lights, put on a dazzling display. Imagine, if you will, curtains of emerald green, ribbons of sapphire blue and streaks of ruby red, all shimmering and dancing across the night sky. This ethereal spectacle is caused by charged particles from the sun colliding with gases in our atmosphere. The effect is mesmerizing. The lights twist and turn, ripple and fade, only to reappear moments later in a new and even more vibrant form. It's as if the heavens themselves are alive with energy and movement. From the frozen landscapes of Iceland to the remote wilderness of Norway, people gather to witness this breathtaking phenomenon. The air is filled with a sense of wonder and awe as the sky erupts in a symphony of light. The Aurora Borealis, a reminder of the interconnectedness of our universe, a celestial ballet that leaves us breathless with wonder. We descend now into a world of vibrant colour and teeming life, the Great Barrier Reef. This underwater wonderland, visible from space, is home to an astonishing array of marine creatures. As we explore this vibrant coral city, we are greeted by schools of fish, their scales shimmering like jewels in the sunlight. Coral of every imaginable shape and size create a complex and beautiful habitat. Here, a giant clam, its mantle a kaleidoscope of colour, filters the water, while a graceful reef shark patrols its territory. A green sea turtle, ancient mariner of the ocean, glides effortlessly through the coral, its shell a living testament to the passage of time. Look closely, and you'll see the delicate dance of the coral polyps, their tiny tentacles swaying in the current. These creatures, the architects of the reef, are a reminder of the interconnectedness of all life on Earth. The Great Barrier Reef, a vibrant tapestry of life, a fragile ecosystem that needs our protection. Our journey takes us now to southern Africa, to a place where the Zambezi River, in a display of raw power, plunges over a precipice, creating Victoria Falls, Mosi Owatunyo, the smoke that thunders. From the air, the scale of the falls is breathtaking. The Zambezi, a wide and powerful river, seems to vanish into the earth, its waters transforming into a curtain of mist that rises high into the sky. Rainbows dance in the spray, their colours intensified by the sheer volume of water cascading over the edge. The roar of the falls is deafening, a constant reminder of the immense power of nature. At the fall's base, the Zambezi River rages, its waters churning and swirling as they are forced through a narrow gorge. The mist from the falls creates a rainforest-like environment, its vegetation lush and green. Victoria Falls, a spectacle of nature's raw power, a place where water and land collide in a breathtaking display. We venture now into the heart of South America, to the Amazon rainforest, the largest rainforest on Earth, a place often described as the lungs of our planet. From the air, the rainforest canopy stretches out as far as the eye can see. A vast expanse of green, a living, breathing testament to the power of nature. This is a world teeming with life, a tapestry woven from countless threads of flora and fauna. Below the canopy, a hidden world awaits. Sunlight filters through the leaves, dappling the forest floor in a mosaic of light and shadow. Here, an abundance of life flourishes. Monkeys swing through the trees, their calls echoing through the forest. A jaguar, king of the jungle, stalks its prey, its movements silent and deadly. And everywhere, a kaleidoscope of insects, their wings a symphony of colour, flit amongst the leaves. The Amazon rainforest, a vital part of our planet's ecosystem, a treasure trove of biodiversity that we must strive to protect. Our journey takes us now to the high Andean plateau of Bolivia, to Salar de Uyuni, the largest salt flat on Earth, a place of surreal beauty. Imagine, if you will, a landscape so vast, so flat, that it seems to stretch out forever. During the dry season, the salt flat is a blinding white expanse, a canvas upon which the sky paints its ever-changing moods. But it is during the wet season that Salar de Uyuni truly comes alive. When covered in a thin layer of water, the salt flat transforms into a giant mirror, reflecting the sky above with startling clarity. The line between earth and sky blurs, creating a dreamscape of surreal beauty. Clouds drift across the heavens, their reflections perfectly mirrored in the water below. It's as if you've stepped into another dimension, a world where reality itself is suspended. Salar de Uyuni, a place of breathtaking beauty, a testament to the transformative power of nature. We travel now to Mexico to witness a powerful reminder of the dynamic forces that shape our planet, Paricutin Volcano. In 1943, in a farmer's cornfield, the earth rumbled and Paricutin Volcano was born. Over the next 9 years, the volcano erupted, spewing forth ash and lava, dramatically altering the landscape. Today, we can see the legacy of those fiery eruptions. The volcanic cone of Paricutin rises from the landscape, a stark reminder of the Earth's raw power. Lava flows, now solidified, stretch out like black rivers, their surfaces cracked and twisted. From the air, the scale of the eruption is evident. The surrounding landscape is scarred and transformed, a testament to the destructive force of nature. Yet even in this scene of apparent desolation, life finds a way. Plants begin to colonize the volcanic rock, their green shoots a symbol of resilience and rebirth. Paricutin Volcano, a stark reminder of the Earth's dynamism, a place where destruction and creation dance hand in hand. Our journey takes us now to the Galapagos Islands, a volcanic archipelago off the coast of Ecuador, a place often described as a living laboratory of evolution. These islands, isolated for millennia, have given rise to a unique array of plants and animals found nowhere else on Earth. Giant tortoises, their shells like ancient shields, lumber across the volcanic landscape. Marine iguanas, their bodies black as the lava rocks they bask on, dive into the surf, grazing on algae. Blue-footed boobies, their feet a startling shade of azure, perform their comical mating dances. The Galapagos Islands are a testament to the power of isolation and adaptation. Here, life has taken on strange and wonderful forms, a reminder of the endless creativity of the evolutionary process. As we explore these islands, we are reminded of the importance of protecting our planet's biodiversity. The Galapagos Islands, a unique and fragile ecosystem, a living laboratory of evolution that continues to inspire and amaze. Our final destination takes us back to the American Southwest, to Antelope Canyon, a slot canyon carved by the relentless forces of wind and water. As we enter the canyon, we are greeted by a world of swirling sandstone, its walls sculpted into sinuous curves and waves. The light filtering down from above creates an ethereal glow, illuminating the canyon walls in a kaleidoscope of colors. The sandstone, in shades of red, orange, and purple, seems to flow like molten wax, its surface etched with intricate patterns. It's as if we've stepped into an artist's studio, surrounded by abstract sculptures of breathtaking beauty. From above, the canyon is a narrow scar in the desert floor, a testament to the power of erosion. But within its depths, Antelope Canyon reveals a world of hidden beauty, a place where light and shadow dance in perfect harmony. Antelope Canyon, a testament to the artistry of nature, a place where we are reminded of the hidden wonders that lie just below the surface. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey. We hope these stunning natural wonders have inspired you to explore and appreciate the beauty of our world. From the towering peaks of the Himalayas to the vibrant coral reefs of the Great Barrier Reef, our planet is home to a breathtaking array of natural wonders. These treasures, sculpted over millennia by the forces of nature, serve as a powerful reminder of the importance of conservation. Let us all do our part to protect these precious ecosystems for generations to come. Until next time, keep adventuring.